Today, I'm covering a topic that comes up in just about every home inspection here in Connecticut: common safety and maintenance issues. I'm going to go over 5 key items that inspectors frequently find, issues that can be overlooked but are very important for safety and compliance. In my last video, I discussed 5 other items that frequently come up during inspections. If you missed that video, it will pop up at the end of this one so you can watch it. In this video, I'm not only going to explain what these 5 additional issues are, but I'm also going to share tips on how to address them before they become an issue. If you like what you hear today, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back. My name is Rochelle Ward, and I am an established real estate agent here in Connecticut who has a passion for helping people move to their next chapter. First on the list, carbon monoxide, CO, and smoke detectors. Connecticut law requires working CO and smoke detectors in homes, and inspectors will always check for them. Not having detectors in the right locations or having non-functioning ones is a safety hazard and a code violation. The fix? Simple. Install CO and smoke detectors in your house. In Connecticut, the type of smoke detectors and CO detectors that are installed in a home and placement location is based on the year that the house was built. Depending on the type of detectors you have, batteries may need to be changed in them. I put a link in the description to the affidavit of compliance at time of closing form so that you will know what is appropriate for your home. Approximate cost per CO detector and smoke detector is $50. Now let's talk about deadbolts with keys on the inside. While these might seem secure, they're actually a big safety concern. In the event of an emergency, like a fire, you don't want to be fumbling around looking for a key to unlock the door so you can get out. If your home has this type of lock, consider replacing it with a standard thumb turn deadbolt. It's a simple upgrade that provides both security and peace of mind to you and the next owner of your home. The cost of a thumb turn deadbolt is approximately $70 plus the cost to install it. Moving on to something that might surprise you: garage door sensors. Garage doors are required to have safety eyes or sensors installed near the ground to detect objects or people. These sensors prevent the door from closing if there's something in its path. Super important for families with kids or pets. If your garage door doesn't have working sensors, or if they're not working properly, an inspector will definitely flag it. The good news? A technician can install or repair sensors quickly to bring your garage door up to code. An estimated cost for this is about $200. Another big one is dryer vents. Clogged or improperly installed dryer vents are a major fire hazard. Inspections often reveal vents made of flexible plastic or foil, which aren't as safe as solid metal ducting. Make sure your dryer vents are clean and use the right materials to ensure proper airflow. Your dryer vent shouldn't be too long or have too many twists and turns in it in order to operate safely and efficiently. We recently came upon a self-venting dryer, which didn't require a vent at all. A little maintenance goes a long way here in preventing costly repairs, or worse, a fire. Last but not least is the pressure relief valve on hot water heaters. This small but mighty component releases pressure if your hot water heater gets too hot or builds up too much pressure. During inspections, it's common to find the valve is either missing or not properly installed with the discharge pipe. The discharge pipe should be about 6 inches from the basement floor. To fix this, have a plumber check your hot water heater and ensure that the valve and the discharge pipe are in place. It's an inexpensive fix that protects your home from serious water damage or even an explosion. If you are a DIYer, you can get the discharge pipe at one of the big box stores. It's not too expensive and it's easy to install. So there you have it. 5 top inspection issues to watch for in Connecticut homes. Number 1, CO and smoke detectors. Number 2, deadbolts with keys on the inside. Number 3, garage door sensors. And number 4, dryer vents. Number 5, pressure relief valves on hot water heaters. Whether you're buying, selling, or just want to stay on top of home maintenance, addressing these issues is a smart move. They're small fixes that can make a big difference in safety and in value. If you have any questions about home inspections, or you're thinking of buying or selling, I'm always here to help. Just give me a call or drop a line in the comment below. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.